Are you looking to modernize your traditional Indian home with contemporary decor? It's a journey of transformation that brings together the rich heritage of Indian culture and the sleek aesthetics of modern design. The essence of this venture lies in the perfect blend of old and new, creating a unique and comfortable living space that resonates with your personal style. Traditional Indian homes are renowned for their vibrant colors, intricate carvings, and exquisite craftsmanship. These elements form the heart and soul of an Indian home, embodying a sense of warmth and hospitality. But how can we infuse these traditional aspects with a sleek, modern twist? Think contemporary furniture with clean lines, minimalist lighting fixtures, and a muted color palette that balances the vibrancy of Indian art and textiles. It's about creating harmony between contrasting elements and designing a home that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also truly yours. So are you ready? Let's delve into the process of modernizing your traditional Indian home. The first step in modernizing any space is to analyze it. Begin by taking a good look at your home's layout, as it is the canvas upon which you'll paint your design. Understanding the functionality of different rooms will help you decide what changes can be made. Perhaps the dining room could benefit from a more open concept, or maybe the bedroom needs a touch of minimalism. Next, consider the existing decor. What elements resonate with your vision of a contemporary Indian home? A carved wooden panel, a brass lamp, or an intricate rug perhaps? These are elements that can be preserved, providing a nod to tradition as you usher in modernity. Identifying what can be modernized is equally important. A bulky, old-fashioned sofa, for instance, might be replaced with a sleek contemporary piece, or perhaps a cluttered bookshelf can be transformed into a minimalist display. Analyze your space, identify potential changes, and let's move to the next step. Choosing the right colors is crucial when modernizing your traditional Indian home. The colors you choose can either make or break your design. They have the power to evoke emotions and set the mood for your space. Indian homes traditionally boast a vibrant palette with deep reds, rich golds, and earthy browns. However, a modern twist could involve dialing down these intense hues and introducing softer tones. Consider a palette of muted gold, gentle terracotta, and subtle turquoise. This approach can create a sense of calm and sophistication while still honoring the traditional Indian aesthetic. Remember, color is more than just paint on the wall. It's about the overall visual harmony of the space. Use color to highlight architectural features, to create a focal point, or to unify different elements of the room. The key is to enhance the modern feel while preserving the traditional essence. With the right colors picked, we are ready to move on to the next step. Furniture plays a significant role in bringing a contemporary feel to your home. When choosing furniture for a modern Indian home, consider pieces that blend traditional elements with a modern aesthetic. This could mean selecting a sleek, low-profile couch in a vibrant color that contrasts with your walls, or opting for a minimalist coffee table with intricate Indian carvings. Popular contemporary furniture styles that work well in Indian homes include the fusion of metal and wood, which brings a touch of industrial chic to your decor. Another trend is the use of geometric patterns on furniture, reflecting the rich tradition of Indian geometry in a modern context. Arranging your furniture is also key to enhancing a modern look. Consider creating spaces that invite conversation, like a semicircle arrangement of chairs around a central coffee table. And remember, less is often more in contemporary design, so resist the urge to overfill your space. With the right furniture in place, your home is starting to take on a modern look. By now, you should have a clear idea of how to modernize your traditional Indian home. Let's quickly jog our memories. We started by analyzing your space, understanding its strengths and how best to use them. Then, we moved on to picking the right colors, those that resonate with your taste yet hold a touch of Indian heritage. The next step was about choosing contemporary furniture, pieces that blend seamlessly with your home's traditional elements. Throughout this journey, we've stressed on the importance of maintaining a balance between tradition and modernity. It's about infusing your home with modern aesthetics while preserving its inherent Indian charm. Experimentation is key. Don't be afraid to mix and match, to try different things until you find what truly reflects your unique style. Remember, The goal is not to erase your home's traditional roots, but to give it a modern twist that reflects your personality. Happy decorating!